It's that time in the day where I'm craving a little sweetie, so I've got Kirsten Tibballs here to make a really nice apple cake. I love apples in cake, full stop.
So do I. It's a classic combination, isn't it? A touch of cinnamon, bit of vanilla.
Yep, and sour cream in the batter, which is quite interesting.
It is really good, and we'll explain that as we go through. Okay. Now, if I can get you working, if you can cream the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy, then we're going to add the egg in. And what I'm doing is I have some brown sugar. This is actually for the topping of the cake.
Right.
A little bit of unsalted butter. I'm going to mix that together with some almonds. I've used the almonds with the skin on because I like that texture. A little bit of cinnamon, and I'm going to set this aside for when the cake batter's in the tin.
Okay.
That's looking really good. If you can crack an egg in and add some vanilla, and we'll mix that all together. Now we're using baking powder and bicarb soda, so we don't have to focus too much on the aeration of the butter and sugar because that's still going to give us a beautiful lift. Now, if you can sieve all the dry ingredients for me, so we've got plain flour, as I mentioned, bicarb soda and baking powder, and then we've got a little bit of cardamom in there as well.
Ooh, why cardamom?
I like the spice flavour of cardamom, and I think it goes perfectly with apples.
The whole lot?
No, maybe half. Yeah. Once you've sieved that, we'll add in some sea salt.
Make that lovely and fluffy, and then in with a pinch of salt.
Oh, you've done that before. You're like, yeah.
Done.
Now we alternate adding the flour with the sour cream.
Okay.
All right, so start with a little bit of flour.
Why do we alternate?
So it doesn't curdle. If you just add the sour cream straight up, the mixture has too much moisture in it. It'll tend to curdle.
Okay.
So by alternating it, it gives us a beautiful batter. Once we curdle it, we tend to lose any air that we've incorporated.
Okay, so on a low speed and then little by little add.
On a low speed, yep. And when we add the sour cream in, the sour cream has a culture in it, which is acidic, so it offsets the soapy taste that you can sometimes get from bicarb soda by adding this in.
Such an amazing ingredient. It's not just for your nachos and your tacos. It's fantastic to make cakes with too.
It will add so much moisture to your cake.
Yeah, nice one. Firm batter, isn't it?
It is a firm batter, but we do get quite a bit of moisture from the apples.
I see.
Now, we've peeled and diced the apples, and we've put a little bit of lemon juice in there so they don't oxidise. And just with a slotted spoon, I'm going to add 3/4 into the mixture.
And any type of apple, or what have you used?
I like something that's quite tart, but any type of apple will work. This is a great recipe if you do have any leftover apples.
Yeah.
So any will work.
Fantastic.
All right. Do you want to do the honours?
Oh, I'd love to. So I guess you could change up the fruit too if you wanted to.
Yeah, absolutely. Raspberries in there. You could do peaches.
Pears.
Oh, pears.
There we go.
All right, so we place this into a line slice tin. Oh, that's a large amount. But
And I like how the apples are cut into smaller pieces, so they're going to cook evenly in the oven as the batter cooks into a cake.
yeah, you don't want them to be too big. And the apples, when they bake, release a lot of water, which is why the cake mix at this stage looks like it's quite thick.
Yeah.
But if it's too soft and then you get the water coming out of the apples as well, the cake will be too moist to cut. So I think we've got that now.
Great.
The remainder of the apples go on top. Just an even sprinkle. You can see we've really loaded it up with the apples.
Yeah, I love these types of cakes.
We've got the nut crumble to go on top, if I can call it that, but it does give us a crunchy layer to go on top. Sprinkling this on top. You can interchange the almonds really for any type of nut. I'm going to bake this at 170 degrees Celsius for approximately 30 minutes, but to test when it's ready, just gently touch the surface and it should bounce back when it's ready.
It smells absolutely delicious.
It does smell amazing. You just want to dive in with a spoon, but I will be very restrained. I will cut it.
Okay, I'll hold that for you.
This is fantastic whether it's served warm or completely cold.
Yeah. It's really plumped up too, hasn't it?
It has kicked up quite a bit. Using a serrated edge knife, just cutting through there.
I just want to see the texture of the crumb.
There, I'll lift it up for you to have a look.
Wow.
Those pieces of apple in there.
Fantastic.
Beautiful and moist. Place that down.
And we can't have this cake without some more cream.
I know. Classic combination.
Absolutely. Okay.
All right, so a touch of icing sugar first.
Yep.
And then a really decent dollop of dollop cream. This is perfect because you don't have to whip it. It goes straight on.
Oh, look at that.
What do you think?
I think it's going to be pretty good. A bit of cream always. I'm going straight for the centre bit there. And the apple, it's almost custard-like because it's cooked completely through. And that crunchy top is just delicious. And I can't imagine this cake without the cream. It needs the cream.
It absolutely needs the cream. Recommended serving.
And speaking of cream, the sour cream that we used in the actual cake has made it super moist too. It's not dry, it's just right.
I can agree.
Give that one a go. Honestly, you will not be disappointed.